Well, I think it's no longer a theory. I think it's a fact that emerging markets are gradually decoupling themselves from the developed economies, and they're growing more quickly. They appear to have more resiliency, and I think they're certainly tied to the emerging markets because, and there are some challenges we're seeing in many of the developed economies, but one of the main characteristics of the emerging markets is they continue to enjoy robust and consistent growth. Well, I think we're going to continue to see the emerging markets dominating the trends going forward with respect to logistics. The trade lanes between emerging markets, regions such as the trade between the Middle East and Brazil, the Middle East and China. These were markets maybe a few years back that weren't so well developed, and they're now really starting to come into their own. So, one of the trends we're going to continue to see is basically emerging markets continuing to grow, and in some instances overpass the markets, the more developed markets for logistics. We're also seeing more near-sourcing opportunities. Regions like Mexico, Southeast Asia are also becoming more and more platforms for doing things closer to home. So these are trends that we're going to continue to see over time, and I think, if anything, over the next few years, they'll become more pronounced.